Hello, Jessica Sanchez here with another Second Life tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to cover applying an image to a frame or to an object. Sometimes in Second Life, you're going to have to actually create your own images that provide specific information on a project that you're working on. And for example, you've noticed some of my images that I've incorporated, I've created to provide you information about what that object is. And so for your projects and exhibits, you'll have to do the same. Now, if you don't know how to create an image using Photoshop or any image editor, you can use PowerPoint because PowerPoint has design templates that you can use to have nice backgrounds, and two, you can save these PowerPoint slides as images, and I'll show you how to do that later. First off, make sure to include a slide that has the exhibit name as well as whoever created the exhibit. So if this was a group project, include all your group members. If it's just you, just put your name. And make sure to increase the size of your text. That way it's easy to read for people that are coming in. And so I've increased my size for the first slide, the second slide. If I need to increase the text font a little bit, I can. And this is simply changing the font size. And the nice thing about PowerPoint is also the different options of layouts that you can use. So just in case you have different variations. Alright, so once I've created my slides, I'm now ready to convert them. And it's really easy. All you do is click on File, Save As, and I'm not showing you here because it's on the top right. But File, Save As. I'm going to change my name, and I'm going to make sure it's to my desktop. And then for format, I'm going to select JPEG. And now what's going to happen is a folder is going to be called Exhibit Images. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And now if I take a look at my desktop, I'm going to have a folder called Exhibit Images. And I'm going to open it up and you'll see my slides in here. So there, notice each slide is its own JPEG. Now, how do I upload it to Second Life? Well, it's really simple. In order to upload, you need currency. And notice I have money here, but each image costs 10 linden. And just to show you the conversion rate, because linden is not the same as US dollars, $4.35 of US dollars will give you 1,000 linden. So for your project, either we're going to provide you linden or you're going to have to purchase your own linden. That you'll find out with your instructor. So I already have linden, so I don't need to purchase any. So I'm ready to actually upload. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Build, then select Upload. And from the drop-down provided, I can either select Image for a single image or Bulk for more than one image. And so since I have two slides, I'm going to select Bulk. And I'm going to select the first one and the second one. Go ahead and click on Open. The slides are automatically taken to my inventory, and notice slide 2 is there. So as you see, slide 2 and 1 are there. In order to put in my frame, all I do is select the slide image and put it and drag and drop it to my frame. And just to let you know, all your images that you upload go to your textures folder. So in your inventory, locate your textures folder and you'll find your images. You won't have these other folders because I created these folders, but you'll see your images there instantly. And all you have to do is just drag and drop it. Now, notice my frame is very dull. The text is very dull. So to make it pop, I'm going to select right-click on the object, select Edit. Under Texture, I'm going to select Full Bright. And notice the text is now easier to read. And because the text is big, I don't have to actually zoom in like I would for this other frame. So that's how you add an image to a frame. You just drag and drop it from your inventory. And again, you need linden. So if we are supposed to give you linden, you would contact me, or during the trainings, I will give you the linden. This concludes this tutorial.